Hi guys, Lee Cole here, and I have the amazing drum roll.
How's everybody doing today?
This is where you say your name, Gloria Gunn.
Oh, Gloria Gunn. How's everybody doing
today? For the
today?
one person on the planet who doesn't know you.
Yeah, my name's Gloria Gunn. How you guys doing today? How's that?
I mean, we're all silly because we just got off this killer webinar talking to people about this product, Money Machine GPT. It is not an exaggeration to say that it is a game changer. But let's back up a little bit, in case somebody's been, hiding under a rock about AI and all that stuff. Catch us up a little bit about where we are.
Yeah. So, Chat GPT or AI has gotten so sophisticated. You can actually now create very, very sophisticated little movie clips, with text, what's called text to video, right? You can create really great videos with text to video, which means you just tell, create me a video on XYZ, right? And if you think about it, those videos have been around forever. It's what commercials are. It's a narrator, and then you've got images that explain what the narrator's talking about, right? And so we can now do that with AI. YouTube loves the AI videos. They love the speed. There are faceless video channels with 45 million plus subscribers that are just doing great. Local businesses are using them, to do, say, for example, if you're a physical therapist, you might do one that talks about back stretches or something. That's a faceless video that physical therapy company is using to promote their services using faceless YouTube videos. So we are into a whole new realm of possibilities of ways you can use this to market yourself, market your client's business, monetize, etc., and so on.
It's really exciting. By faceless YouTube channel, you mean not what we're doing right here.
That's right.
Words, not showing your face, not hearing your voice. And you may think, well, number one, most people are really scared of that, and I understand that totally. But the two things going on here, the faceless part, in other words, you don't have to be on the video yourself, so that's no longer an issue. But two, you mentioned the rapid scalability.
Yes.
And, you and I just got off a webinar. We use this as an example. I mean, old style, like, last year. You wanted to build out a faceless YouTube channel yourself, and let's say that you cranked out, let's say you were really devoted to it. You cranked out 3, videos a day.
Yeah, that's about
100
right.
days, you've got 300 videos. Well, in one of the first channels that you built, how long did it take you to get those 300 videos up and running and actually just creating an enormous amount of traffic? It wasn't 100 days, right?
No, it was about 12 days is what it was. We had all the videos created, all of the descriptions, all of the SEO loaded into YouTube, and we're getting views within 300 within 12 days.
Yeah, by getting views, you mean about 1,000 views within 12 days.
Yeah. Got some getting
it's doing nothing but growing, right?
Yeah. And we talked about this before, Lee, where you've got, the situation where you can leverage 2 platforms, which is, TikTok and YouTube. And so I didn't even get a chance to do the TikTok piece because I went on vacation. So this is just from YouTube. But if I would have went and re-uploaded some of those shorts into TikTok and then driven them to my YouTube channel, my views probably would have doubled, if not tripled.
We have proven through subsequent channels that YouTube or somebody loves that combination of TikTok linking to TikTok shorts linking to YouTube shorts. That is a great, that is an amazingly powerful combination. Now you mentioned that doing the SEO, optimizing the channel, optimizing the videos, God knows. I mean, it seems like you probably need to be a freaking YouTube SEO expert, but no longer. You want to explain to us why not?
Well, because you've got ChatGPT and you've got all of the copy, one thing that we do is we create programs that are copy and pastable, right? A lot of the
Correct.
prompts and stuff, you just
Copy and
copy it
paste
in.
easy.
Yeah, that's exactly it. And so it's the same thing with this. Like, we're investing heavily into YouTube in 2024. Two of our YouTube channels are going to be managed by my better half, who is like the newbie of all newbies, right? That's how easy this is. Seriously, he's a retired electrician, does not really, gets on the computer to pay bills, online banking and different things, but not really. He doesn't do the work that we do, right? But with the system, I can just pretty much turn him loose on it and say, here, these are your babies. You grow them and nurture them and, monetize them. And he's going to do that. He's doing that. So we've already started that process. Yeah.
I was going to say, you're starting that process. I'm building out a channel for an e-com thing that I'm doing. Folks, this is amazing. Again, this is not your mama's 300-word blog post where you write in something stupid in ChatGPT and it gives you something stupid back. What we're looking at here is we're looking at rapidly building channels with hundreds of videos. Look at the graphic below where you are, folks. You're on the sales letter. Look at the graphic below. You're looking at 300 videos created in less than 12 days with a shocking amount of traffic. And YouTube really rewards that speed. That's one of the big things going on here. And then you have the dual platform advantage between YouTube and TikTok, which we teach you all about. And the bottom line here, Gloria, the reason we call it Money Machine GPT, it's AI powered. Money Machine because you've got speed. 12 days to massive traffic, simplicity.
Yes.
Your husband probably was a great electrician. He's not Mr. Computer.
He is not a YouTube guy. Let's put it that way.
He's not a YouTube guy. No. Simplicity. He just follows.
But he can copy and paste. I can tell you that. He can copy and paste.
Follows your copy and paste easy instructions, building out channels, and rapidly getting to profits. Folks, again, we just got off a killer webinar for our list about this. We're talking about getting profits in a whole bunch of different ways. Number one, creating channels that sell you as a consultant, as a local marketing consultant, creating channels for your clients, for your dentist client, for your chiropractor client, for your physical therapy client, for your electrical company client, right? And then we also talk about creating channels for just pure old affiliate marketing, which both you and I both do, and we do love that multiple stream of income thing. So guys, here on this sales letter, you got everything that you need. Money Machine GPT. We give you complete instructions on how to get going with using off-the-shelf, really, really easy to use AI to create videos like that, build up, monetize that, and then keep doing that process over and over again. Right here, Gloria, everybody always loves to know about the OTOs. We don't kill you with OTOs, guys. We only got two of them. The first one's more information about how to use this in your local marketing business, specifically creating entire channels and selling those to your clients, or creating entire channels and renting them to your clients. And I especially love OTO2, which is the deep dive. It is like you were a little parrot sitting on Gloria's shoulder, watching her build out, watching her go through everything, answering all your questions, dealing with all the little dealies that do pop up. Deep dive with Gloria into channel building. This is your chance of sitting at the feet of the master, right? And as a bump offer, you can even get to time with Gloria. So very inexpensively, you can have Gloria actually solve your problems for you. So there you have it. Money Machine GPT, just two OTOs, launching tomorrow at 11 o'clock. It'll be on sale through the weekend. Thank you so much, folks. My name's Lise Cole. This is the amazing Gloria Gunn, and we will talk with you very, very soon.
Thank you. All right. Bye for now.